Hi everybody and welcome to this week's Trivia for Kids for Sunday the 7th of November 2021. I'm glad you've tuned in this week to give your brain a bit of a workout. Stay tuned for questions on sport, geography, movies, TV, music, mathematics, language, general knowledge and other interesting topics. This week you'll notice that my face is not in the corner of the screen as it normally is. We're having a few minor IT issues, but I figure the most important information is on the slides anyway, so why not get started with the trivia questions so you can enjoy them as soon as possible. So before we get started, you'll need a pencil and some paper to record your answers. We'll go through all the questions first, and I will pause briefly to give you time to write your answers down. If I move on too quickly, feel free to pause the video and make your notes and then start again, or go back and replay some questions if you need to. When we get to the answer section, I'll move through them fairly quickly, and then we'll pause at the end for you to work out your full score. And then when the video finishes, you can write your score and any other comments that you have in the comments section for the video. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you'd like to be notified every week when the trivia comes out on the Sunday. Okay, without any further ado, let's do this. Trivia for Kids for Sunday the 7th of November. The first question is a sport question. How many bases are on a baseball field? How many bases are on a baseball field? Okay, question 2 is a science question. The sun rises from which direction? The sun rises from which direction? And we mean, is it north, south, east, or west? Question 3 is a movies question. Whose famous line is, Luke, I am your father? So who says, Luke, I am your father in a movie? Question 4 is a music question. How many strings are on a guitar? How many strings are on a guitar? Question 5 is a geography question. How many continents are there in the world or on Earth? How many continents are there in the world? Question 6 is a history question. What is Amelia Earhart known for? What is Amelia Earhart known for? Question 7, a television question. Which chipmunk from Alvin and the Chipmunks wears a blue sweater? Which chipmunk from Alvin and the Chipmunks wears a blue sweater? Question 8 is a language question. What is a group of crows called? A language question. What is a group of crows called? Question 9 is a mathematics question. How many zeros are in the numeral representing a million? So if you were to write a million in numbers, the numeral that represents a million, how many zeros are in that numeral? And the last question for today, a general knowledge question. What's a lucky object that you can find in the grass? And not something that would be dropped in the grass, but something that might grow in the grass. What's a lucky object that you can find in the grass? Okay, how did you go? Here's your chance to go back and look at the questions again if you want to have another try or have a bit of a think about one of the trickier ones before we go to the answers. Come back to this slide when you're ready, and here we go. We're going to go through the answers together now. Question 1, how many bases are on a baseball field? And the answer is 4. You can see them here on the slide. The white 1, 2, 3, 4. Question 2, science. The sun rises from which direction? And it rises in the east. And it sets in the west. The east. Question 3, a movie question. Whose famous line is, Luke, I am your father? And the answer, Darth Vader. It's from the Star Wars series. Question 4, how many strings are on a guitar? And the answer is 6. You can see them in that image there. Question 5, how many continents are there in the world? And the answer is there, 7. 7 continents. North America and South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, and Antarctica. 7 continents. Question 6, in history, what is Amelia Earhart known for? And the answer is flying. So you could have anything to do with flying in aeroplanes, that sort of thing. Aviation, any of those, all correct. Question 7, television. Which chipmunk from Alvin and the Chipmunks wears a blue sweater? And the answer is Simon. Simon wears the blue sweater or jumper. Question 8, a language question. What is a group of crows called? And the answer is a murder. So if you see a collection of crows together, you can say to somebody, hey, look at that murder of crows, a murder. Question 9 is a mathematics question. How many zeros are in the numeral representing a million? And the answer is 6 zeros. That's how you write a million down the bottom here. 1 with 6 zeros after it. And question 10, what's a lucky object that you can find in the grass? And the answer is a 4-leaf clover. I've put one there for you. And they're supposed to be extremely rare and very good luck if you find one. Okay, so don't forget to put your score in the comments on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss next week's trivia. Remember that we also put up homework help specifically about maths on Mondays and English on Thursdays. And then we also have other homework help and topic videos going up during the week as well. So if there's anything we can help you with, Lavender Learning is the place to get that help, and you can put that in the comments or email us at jane@lavenderlearning.com.au because we're in Australia, and we'll endeavour to help you with your questions. So I hope you did really well today. I hope you've learned something interesting, and now you can go and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks, guys. Bye.